may have lost count of where you were and what your Hi, I'm here at Silver Sands Marina with a customer demo show and tell with Zach from MVP Marine, and we're talking about our product today, our bioWRAP by bioaqualife. And Tim, is it your first time seeing the material, Tim?
It is my first time, yes.
And what is your impression of our material?
The first impression is how durable I found it to be. It's a lot more forgiving with the heat versus your regular traditional Shrinkwrap, which I like a lot. And it has great properties, spring properties. You could shrink or reheat over it. Plastic is really great through it. Maybe just a lot easier to
What do you think about what you said about the shrinkability, but the weldability of the product?
Weldability is really good too. I mean, you can try peeling it all you want, but it's just straight.
Yeah. So no tape.
Incredible. Yeah, no tape. It'll save a lot of time.
That's cool. Good. Save your time. What do you think of the center line?
The center line is really helpful. Take a lot of guesswork, running around tape measures, trying to make sure you're centered right on top of it. All the little things like that just make it so much more efficient and streamlined.
Cool. So, $1 million question, will you order from us this year?
I believe you will, yeah.
All right, cool. Excellent. Well, appreciate it so much.